This election is crucial para sa bayan natin, and I want to be able to use my influence para at least magamit naman natin yung tamang paraan ng pagkakampanya sa gusto natin. I've been doing dinners with different politicians, so I would know kung ano yung mga plataforma nila and kung sino yung ikakampanya natin. Huwag lang corrupt kasi pagod na tayo sa mga corrupt eh. Tsaka yung may tapang, tsaka yung may paninindigan, yung kayang ipaglaban yung bansa kahit ikamatay. I mean, you know, it's just for our country anyways. I'm still weighing things because I would start campaigning next year na bago siguro sa tail end ng election kasi mas nagmamatter yun. Sa ngayon, ayaano muna natin silang magsabi ng mga adikain nila. Pero syempre lalabas yan bago mag-election.
Would you be willing to accept a talent fee?
No, I won't. I never accepted any endorsement fee for anybody I endorse. I'd endorse someone na papaniwalaan ko magiging karapat-dapat sa posisyon. Pero hindi walang kasamang gano'n. Hindi naman kailangan. There's a corporate responsibility and we're not allowed to endorse, especially pag nasa korporasyon ka. So it's a personal decision at the end of the day. So for me, I would exercise my right when it comes.